TBS is a modern enterprise focusing on the research and development, production and sales, and service of solar cable trays, solar mounting brackets, water channel and rail products. We are a professional manufacturer of solar cable trays and can provide trays of different materials, including the aluminum alloy, zinc-aluminum-magnesium, galvanized steel, and fiberglass. Different materials have different performances and can be provided according to customer needs. It has 5 complete fully automated cable tray and water channel production lines, from front-end unloading, punching, mid-end bending, back-end spraying, and packaging, all of which are fully automated. Some production lines and production processes are independently developed and designed. The company has assisted the smooth implementation of many key engineering projects through high quality and professional products and services. Its footprints are spread across domestic and foreign markets and are deeply trusted by our customers.